Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Figma template. First, open Figma and create a new design file. Think about the core purpose of your template and who will use it. This initial clarity guides your design choices. Next, establish a robust design system. This includes defining text styles, color palettes, and effect styles. Creating reusable components early on will save significant time and ensure consistency across your template. Now, let's dive into the design phase. Start by building master components for frequently used elements like buttons, input fields, and navigation bars. This allows for quick updates across all instances. Leverage Figma's auto layout feature to construct frames that automatically adjust to content changes, making your template highly adaptable. Remember to include helpful notes and example usage directly within your Figma file for users. Effective organization is crucial for a usable template. Group related design elements onto separate pages or within distinct sections to maintain clarity. Adopt a consistent and descriptive naming convention for all your layers and frames. This makes the file much easier to navigate for anyone using it. Once your components are polished, publish them to a team library. This allows others to easily access and utilize your template's building blocks. Before sharing widely, rigorously test your template. Ensure all components behave as expected and that the auto layout functions correctly across various content lengths. Solicit feedback from a few potential users. Their insights are invaluable for identifying areas for improvement and refining the user experience. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Finally, provide a brief guide on how to best use your template, ensuring a smooth experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.